Welcome to my channel. When you're hanging out with your friends, do you like to chat? Do you share secrets with them? Do you tell them about the exciting things that happen to you during the day? We chat with our friends all the time, but we aren't the only ones who like to gossip. Dolphins can also chat with each other, but how do they do it? Can dolphins talk underwater? What do they talk about? And how do scientists know what they're saying? Let's find out. There are around 120 species of dolphins living in oceans and seas all over the world. Dolphins make a variety of sounds, including whistles, squeaks, and clicks. Scientists think these sounds are a form of communication, but they aren't exactly sure what the dolphins are saying. That's because dolphins don't have a language like humans do. They communicate using a combination of sounds and body language. Even though scientists haven't been able to translate dolphin language, they have learned that each dolphin has a unique signature whistle. It's kind of like their name. Newborn calves are able to recognize their mother's whistle when they're just a few days old. And as they grow up, they develop their own signature whistle. Scientists think that signature whistles help dolphins identify each other and may even play a role in helping them form social bonds. In the wild, dolphins use echolocation to find food and identify objects in the water. This ability allows them to send out sound waves and then listen for the echoes. When they're clicking, squeaking, and whistling, they're sending out these sound waves. Once the sound waves bounce back, the dolphins can identify the size, shape, and location of an object. In other words, they use sound to get information about the world around them. And it's not just their sense of hearing that makes dolphins amazing communicators. Dolphins can also use their sense of smell to identify each other. They have a special organ on the top of their heads called the vomeronasal organ, or VNO. The VNO is a chemoreceptor, which means it can detect chemicals. The VNO allows dolphins to pick up pheromones released by other dolphins. Pheromones are chemical signals that are used to communicate with other members of the same species. You might be wondering what kind of information the VNO can provide. Well, it helps dolphins gather information about the sex, reproductive status, and individual identity of other dolphins. It's thought that this organ plays a big role in a dolphin's social behavior. It can even tell if a female is ready to mate. Just imagine being able to smell if someone is a potential romantic partner. That would make dating a lot easier. As you can see, dolphins have some pretty amazing ways of talking to each other. But even though scientists have learned a lot about dolphin communication, there is still a lot more to learn. Because dolphins are so intelligent! Researchers believe they may be capable of even more complex forms of communication. Maybe one day, they'll be able to teach us how to understand their language. And who knows? Maybe they'll even teach us how to communicate with each other better. After all, there is a lot of chatter in the world, and it is important to find ways to talk to each other more effectively. So the next time you hear a dolphin's whistle, squeak, or click, remember that they may be chatting about something very important. It could be the location of a tasty fish or information about a potential predator. Whatever they're talking about, it's safe to say that dolphins are true masters of communication. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching!